Okay, so I've got a shirt that is got some serious rips, and so we're going to do a little DIY project. We're going to hopefully turn this into cool concert wear. So I'm going to line up the middle right here. So give me just a second off camera. Actually, I'll do it for you. This is what I saw on the tutorial. You go it right in half. Okay, so I'm going to make sure this could go horribly wrong or horribly good. So I'm hoping that it turns out pretty cool and it will be one of my little shirts going to Nashville this summer. Because if y'all follow my husband, he loves Rolling Stones. Okay, so I'm going to cut a V right here. So wish me luck. See if I can get closer to the camera. I'm going to go right like that. So stand by. Let's see how this works. Hopefully, I got some sharp scissors. That's what they said on the DIY. Make sure you have sharp scissors. Okay, so let's see. Okay, here we go. Let's see how I did. So stand by. It's like a pretty decent cut. Okay, this might turn out really cute. Okay, see that? That great little V. Okay, so now I'm going to cut off the, this is the part where I'm not quite sure what to do. Got some interesting armholes here, so stand by. We're just going to commit. I'm going to go for it. Okay. Might be the craziest wife beater yet, but hey, it's Nashville, right? Throw some cute boots with it. We'll be good to go. Okay, and then let's go to the other side. Throw our scraps over there. All right. I'm going to cut out this armhole. See that little rip right there? So we're going to fix that. All right. We'll see. Okay, y'all. Let's see what this is. Okay, this looks like it might be pretty darn cute. With a little knot right here. Little knot. Oh my gosh. Okay, DIY. I'm going to clean up that edge, but not too shabby. Okay, what do y'all think? It's kind of cute. I distressed it. So what was going to be a shirt that was thrown away has now turned into a cute little distressed t-shirt going to Nashville. Thank you. Thank you to the husband who shared his castaways.